So I'm in Chiba on a very exciting adventure. I'm at a place called Takahide, a dairy farm, which is actually a very famous, award-winning dairy farm. They have delicious cheese, ice cream, milk, all the amazing dairy products. And I've just been talking with Naomi-san, who is one of the key farmers here, and she's like the cow whisperer. So she's actually having some conversations now with the cows. And when she found out that I was in the area, she decided to bring out the cows and have a little interview with me. So the cows are actually starting to emerge now, and it's quite amazing because she's communicating with them. She's getting them to come out. So this is where the cows kind of reside. These cows are not for slaughter, so they're purely for producing dairy products, especially milk. So this is just amazing. We've got a cow approaching now, and we're going to have a little bit of a chat. Naomi-san, this is so interesting. So you're like the cow whisperer.
Yeah, maybe they think I'm mom.
Yeah. So, oh, this is beautiful.
来たの。おいでよ、来たの。
Hello. Hello there. Do they have names, Naomi-san?
Yeah.
They do?
Yeah.
So they're like pets, really, aren't they?
Kind
Kind of.
of.
Working pets. Working
Kind
pets.
of. We all, our cows all registered.
They all British, are they?
Registered.
Oh, registered. Oh, okay.
Registered.
Yes.
So
Hello.
those years,
Yes.
number
Yes.
and name
Yeah.
and birth.
Okay.
Birthday. All
Right.
Registered.
It's all registered, yeah. Well, they look very, very well kept. Yeah. I think they have a good life here. They can be very free here in nature.
Yeah, it's very
Yes. So down,
nice. So
yeah. So
Oh, yeah,
down
yeah,
on the
yeah.
right side, they're free to graze in this beautiful area. Free to graze in the wild.
なんでそこに来た？あれも来た来た来た来た来た。でっかいのどこだ？おいで、come on。ダミオンさん、こんな大きくなって。おいでよ。いや、もう忘れた。忘れたもん。はい、いや。はい、ほんでな。いやな。みんな来ないね。はい、いやな。逃げるの。嫌いなの。
So-
She doesn't like me.
Oh, Naomi-san, would you like to tell our viewers something about this farm and your life here? So, would you like to tell us something about this farm?
My farm. We have 150 cows and 90 milking cows and 60 heifers.
Wow.
Yeah,
Wow.
and all heifers are born here.
Uh-huh.
And you know something, me and my husband and all our staff think cows are, you know, cows, those livestock is a kind of economical animal, but we never said those economical things. While they stayed our farm, I think they are all families, and we are living by cows.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, they working for us,
Yes.
and so I want to always. I think you know, the last they gonna be maybe meat as a beef. Yeah,
Eventually.
yeah.
But not here. Not here.
Not here.
Yeah.
Yeah, after we milk a cow,
Yeah.
and they make a circle like
Yeah.
delivery,
Yes.
babies
Yeah.
and milking.
A life cycle.
Yeah, life cycle, and 2 months before they delivered, they have a holiday. No milking and
Okay.
just free for
Yeah.
walking around.
So you make sure they have the best life that they can as cows.
I'm not sure. Maybe some people now, it's poor animal, or some people doesn't like livestock.
Oh,
Thinking
livestock.
like
Yeah.
don't eat meat
Yeah.
and
But do you
drink
send
milk.
them? Do you send them for livestock later as they get older? Not when they're young, right? They have a good life first.
Yeah, I hope
Yeah.
so.
Yes.
We hope so.
Yeah.
And so while they are staying here,
Yeah.
we are trying to live longer.
Yes.
Like
Yeah.
don't pressure them,
Right.
and don't give them we call grain, a lot of grain.
Yeah.
It's not good for cows.
Okay.
Yeah, we try to basically hay or grass, or
Yeah.
and so live longer.
Yeah.
And
Okay. Yeah.
so we tried it.
Yes.
We tried it, and we just want to think. They think they are happy life. They can make a happy life here.
Yeah.
I want to.
That's great. How long have you been farming now?
Me?
Yeah.
For me, 30 years.
30 years.
Almost 30 years.
Great.
Mm.
You've had this farm for 30 years? You've had this farm for 30 years?
Mhm.
That's amazing. Well, I just tried some of your ice cream earlier and it was really nice. So it's very famous for ice cream here, isn't it?
Yes,
Yeah.
very famous.
Yeah, so we enjoyed that. We enjoyed that very much.
My daughter makes this
Uh-huh.
ice cream and gelato and cheese.
So she's
everything.
working in the shop, right?
Not now.
Oh, not now. Okay.
Now she's trying to make a second shop
Oh,
in
okay.
Chiba.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so she's busy.
Right.
Maybe she's coming here
Right.
3 times a week now. And
So actually what attracted me here is last night we had some delicious cheese and we found out
Oh.
about your cranberry cheese. Yeah.
so who
Yeah.
bought it?
I bought a blue cheese
Uh-huh.
from here,
Uh-huh.
and we had cheese and wine together last night.
And we had some
Oh,
fresh
that's good. Oh, great.
Yeah.
Mm.
So one thing I wanted to mention about this, our connection is you've spent some time in Yorkshire, haven't you? In England. Yeah.
That's blue cheese. We got an prize, like
Yeah.
in France, international cheese contest.
Yes.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
called I forgot. I forgot.
Yeah.
Anyway, in
Yeah.
international cheese contest in France,
Yeah.
we got a super gold.
Oh, you did?
Wow,
Blue cheese.
congratulations.
Your awards. I mean, congratulations. It's really, really cool. Well, I think the cheeses around here are like super fresh, like moist cheese, which is just great. We had some champagne and cheese last night, which was amazing.
So
That's
good.
amazing.
Yeah. Well, we were talking about Yorkshire earlier, right? So I'm half British, half Dutch. So both countries love cheese. Dutch cheese, British cheese. Have you heard of Wensleydale cheese? Wensleydale cheese.
No, I don't know.
This is a cheese from a place called Wensleydale, kind of deep in the heart of Yorkshire, and it's a kind of crumbly cheese. I guess if you needed to compare it to something, it's like feta but less salty.
Oh.
It's a little bit like feta, but it's more crumbly. So a very popular cheese in England is, if you go down the fruit cheese route, is the Wensleydale with cranberry is quite popular. So you have a cheese which I think is similar, but it's like a soft cheese with cranberry, right? Yeah.
Our cheese maker thinks about that.
Cool.
Yeah.
About English cheeses.
I don't know. Maybe he's learned about Italian cheese.
Italian cheese.
Yeah, most of Italian cheese. But he always thinks about what kind of cheese Japanese like.
Oh,
Because
yeah.
we Japanese, especially this countryside, that is natural cheese.
Right. Yes. There's a lot of processed.
Not familiar with that.
There's
so.
a lot of processed cheese in there. So can you tell me which cheeses you're selling here? Or tell me like cheese. You have like a small but really like interesting cheese selection here.
Anyway,
Ricotta, was it ricotta cheese?
ricotta. ricotta.
Yes, ricotta.
Ah,
cheese.
ricotta,
Yeah,
ricotta.
yeah.
That's so nice.
I just bought some.
Oh, is that
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Very looks like no, tastes like tofu.
Oh, does it? Oh, that's good. That's my kind of cheese then. So kind of mild, soft cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Sounds amazing. So I'll
Yeah,
have that.
but ricotta cheese is very difficult to make.
Right.
Yeah, my cheese maker don't use any cream,
Oh,
just from
right.
foyer.
Okay.
So takes a long time.
Yeah. So it's a healthy cheese.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Right. That's great. Well, it was so nice to meet you. And how did you find Yorkshire in the UK? And what was it like trying cheese in Yorkshire?
Cheese in Yorkshire?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have no idea
No
actually.
idea.
Yeah.
What did you do in Yorkshire? So you were in Yorkshire for 2
No,
months.
my cousin,
Oh, okay. your
my
cousin.
mother's cousin
Okay.
got married from English guy,
Ah.
and he's from Yorkshire.
He's from Yorkshire. Okay, okay. Well, that's not too far from my hometown. It's quite close.
Oh?
Quite close to my
あ、
hometown.
called どこやったっけ？ヨークシャー、オートリー？ You know that? Maybe I mistake.
How do you spell it?
I forgot.
Okay, we'll find out anyway. We'll find out. Yeah. Harrogate, Ripon. You know any of those places? No. Michael?
No idea.
No idea?
Mhm.
Yeah, Yorkshire's a very big county.
Mhm.
So, yeah. Could we try a glass of milk?
Sure, go
Could we?
ahead.
Yeah, let's try some milk. I've been wanting to try this now.
And did you see mini cheese over there in the shop?
Oh yes, I bought some. I bought some. Yeah, I bought a couple.